Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Fonts in Canva video projects. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Google Fonts website. Browse through the extensive collection of fonts available. Select the fonts you would like to use in your project by clicking the plus icon. Once selected, a sidebar will appear on the right side of the screen. At the top of the sidebar, click on the View Selected Families button. You will see the options to customize your font selection. Make sure to note the font name and styles you want to use in Canva. Next, open a new tab and navigate to the Canva website. Log into your Canva account or create one if you don't have it yet. Once logged in, start a new project by clicking on the Create a Design button. Choose your desired design type, like a presentation, poster, or social media post. On the left side of the editor, locate the Text tool. Select the text box option and add a text area to your design. Highlight the text box you just added. In the toolbar above, click on the Font drop-down menu. Scroll through the font options to see if your selected Google fonts appear. If they don't appear, click on the Add Fonts option. Now return to your Google Fonts tab. Click the Download button to download your chosen font files. After downloading, go back to the Canva tab. Look for the option to upload your font in the Canva interface. Upload the font files you downloaded from Google Fonts. Once uploaded, your custom fonts will appear in the Font drop-down menu. Select your newly uploaded Google font from the menu. You can now apply it to your text for your project. Continue designing your project using your custom fonts. Ensure to save your work periodically to avoid losing any changes. Once completed, review your project for any final adjustments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.